Hello everyone. Welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. I'm Dixon, and I'm excited to have you here. After countless hours of research and testing, I'm here to bring you the most reliable, real-time updates, insights, and strategies to help you stay ahead in the world of crypto mining and trading. Let's explore opportunities, learn together, and grow our crypto knowledge and profits, all from our mobile devices. Before we dive in, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more great content. Let's get started. Today, we're diving deep into some major news shaking up the Ripple community. RippleX, the development arm of Ripple, has just kicked off a big conversation. Should the XRP Ledger support native staking? This is huge, folks. It comes right as we're seeing the XRPL expand its uses far beyond just payments. We're talking about liquidity services, tokenized markets, and all sorts of new applications. XRP has always been a fantastic tool for moving value quickly and cheaply between different places, and with the recent launch of an XRP ETF by Canary, the asset is getting even more attention. So, what's the big deal with native staking? Well, a key engineer from the XRP Ledger team, Joaquin, really got the ball rolling. He posted a thought-provoking question: what if the XRP Ledger supported native staking? What would that mean for network design and the asset itself? This isn't just a casual question, it strikes at the heart of how the XRPL works. Unlike most other blockchains you might be familiar with, the XRP Ledger doesn't pay out transaction fees to validators. Instead, it burns them. This is a deflationary mechanism that makes the remaining XRP more scarce over time. So, if we were to introduce staking, the network would need a brand new way to generate rewards for those who stake their XRP, and more importantly, it would need a system to distribute those rewards fairly. Joaquin was quick to point out that this is no simple task. Creating these new incentives would have a ripple effect, no pun intended, on fairness, decentralization, and the entire governance structure of the network. It's a delicate balance. Staking isn't just about earning rewards. It's about securing the network and giving token holders a voice. Let's break down the design challenge here. In typical proof-of-stake networks, staking aligns the interests of validators and token holders. It secures the network because validators have their own money on the line. It also provides a clear path for governance participation, but the XRPL is different. Its consensus protocol doesn't rely on financial commitment. Validators earn trust and influence through their performance and reliability, not by how much crypto they've locked up. Introducing a financial staking model would fundamentally change this dynamic. It could alter the network's governance and how validators behave. Plus, where would the money for staking rewards come from? The network would need a sustainable source of funding. Joaquin suggested that fees from new programmability features, like smart contracts, could potentially fund these rewards. But even then, designing a distribution model that is both fair and encourages participation is a complex puzzle. You don't want to create a system where only the largest holders benefit, as that could lead to more centralization. Interestingly, Joaquin also pointed out that the XRP ecosystem is already evolving and innovating without major changes to the core protocol. We're already seeing experiments with staking-like reward systems on exchanges and through DeFi projects. For example, platforms like Uphold, in partnership with Flare, Doppler Finance, and Axelar, already finding creative ways for XRP holders to earn yields. He made a great point. Innovation around utility doesn't always require core design changes. This suggests that even if native staking on the ledger itself is a long way off, or never happens, the utility and value of XRP can continue to grow organically through these third-party applications. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow, And if you have any questions so far, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Now, as you can imagine, this whole debate has stirred up the community. The discussion about native staking has reignited some long-standing arguments about XRP, particularly around its level of centralization and its real-world utility. For instance, one analyst, Hantengry, recently criticized XRP, claiming the network is decentralized and questioning its practical use case. This is a common critique we hear, but it often misses the bigger picture. In response, Panos, the co-founder of Anados Finance, stepped in with a brilliant clarification. He reminded everyone, the XRP Ledger is independent and community-driven. It existed before Ripple Labs, and it's not permanent. This is a crucial point. He also highlighted that the XRPL was a pioneer in the space, being one of the first to natively support key features like a deflationary token model, a built-in decentralized exchange DEX, and tokenization, all on its Layer 1 protocol. These are features that many newer blockchains are still trying to implement. The debate also got into the weeds of practical trading issues. Hantengry pointed to a specific swap on a platform called Dashbond, which showed a big difference between the stated dollar value of XRP and the actual amount of USDC received in the trade. He framed this as a flaw in XRP itself, but again, Panos provided the necessary context. He explained that this discrepancy wasn't a problem with XRP, but a result of low liquidity for that specific trading pair on the XRP-LS native DEX. He clarified, FYI, there is only one DEX on XRPL built into the L1, due to low USDC liquidity. This is a classic liquidity issue that can happen on any decentralized exchange, with any asset, when there aren't enough buyers and sellers for a particular pair. It's not a fundamental problem with XRP's value or the network's integrity. So, what does all this mean for the future of XRP and its community? The idea of native staking is more than just a technical proposal. It's forcing everyone to take a closer look at the core principles of the network. It's a debate about incentives, fairness, and the long-term evolution of the XRPL. Akinyel's comments show a thoughtful approach from within the RippleX team. They are clearly exploring new possibilities to enhance the network's utility while respecting and preserving the original design principles that have made the XRP Ledger so fast, efficient, and reliable for over a decade. This is a developing story, and it's one we'll be watching very closely. The outcome of this debate could have significant implications for the value and function of XRP in the years to come. Whether the XRPL implements native staking or continues to foster utility through its growing ecosystem of third-party apps, one thing is clear: the drive to innovate is stronger than ever. The community is engaged, the developers are exploring new frontiers, and the conversation is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. What are your thoughts on native XRP staking? Do you think it's a necessary evolution for the network, or do you prefer the current model? Let me know your opinion in the comments section. I'm really curious to hear what you think, and I love engaging with you all. And please, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you can stay updated on this topic and all the other exciting developments in the crypto world. Your engagement is what makes this community thrive. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this deep dive into the XRP staking debate as fascinating as I did. This is exactly the kind of critical, real-time information we aim to bring you here on the channel. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto space. Once again, I'm Dixon. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you. I'll be back soon with another video to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Until then, stay informed, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.